So here we have Mr. Deep with us from New Zealand. Hello, Deep. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So he will explain. He had some problem of colitis. He was diagnosed, and let us ask from him his experiences about Ayurvedic medicine and how he was cured and how he is feeling now. Okay, Deep, tell us when you were diagnosed and what you went through.
Yeah, I was diagnosed with colitis back in 2017,
Okay,
and since then I started taking all the medicines, mesalazine, pretty regularly.
okay,
And when I first started, it was working, but then they really stopped working, and
yeah,
all I was doing was increasing the dosage
yeah.
from 4 pills a day to 6 pills a day. Then it went to almost 12 pills a day
12 pills of
of,
mesalazine every day.
yeah, 800 milligrams, one tablet.
Okay, that's a lot of
And then,
dosage.
yeah, and then what was happening was it was quite volatile that if you're traveling or something and say, because I have traveling job, and if I have to travel 7-8 hours in
Yeah.
a plane,
Mm-hmm.
and I can't keep them in my carry-on luggage, then it was almost impossible to control.
Yeah.
So it was yeah. So what happened was then I was started on steroids. I took steroids, and then it was okay, but then it started affecting other things like mental health in my body.
Yeah.
But then I started researching about it online, and I found Dr. Vikram and Planet Ayurveda. I watched a couple of videos,
Yeah.
some seminars, read
Yeah.
about the articles, and I started on. I booked my first appointment.
Yeah.
A month later, I got my medicines, and when I first started, within 3 months, I noticed a huge difference, and I completely stopped all my Western medicine, all the mesalazine, all the prednisone, everything.
Mm-hmm.
And that was early July 2020, and
Okay.
now in February 2021, I'm only taking Ayurvedic medicines. Although I'm not 100% cured, but I know that I will be at
So
some
you are,
point.
I mean, how much difference you see? If it is not 100% in 6 months, how much it is? You were taking so many allopathic medicines, steroids, mesalazine in June last year, 2020, and now you're taking nothing. And
Yeah,
how much percentage you will say you are better?
I think I am 80% back
80%.
to living a normal life.
80%
Living
back.
a normal life.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can travel, I can go out, watch 3-4 hour movies. Sometimes I travel by road 8 hours without having to worry about
Yeah.
that I will have to, look for a washroom pretty close.
Yeah.
I still manage my things around it because I'm so used to it from the last 4 years.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty close to living normal life. I don't have any of the side effects. I don't get too many pimples on my face. My mental health is getting back from all the steroids.
Yeah.
So I think I feel really positive overall.
So that's a good thing. So any message you want to give to the world or any patients who are suffering from this disease, ulcerative colitis?
Yeah, I think what happens is that these days there is so much information on internet,
Yeah.
and what people tell you is that it's just really hard to believe what does and what does not.
Yeah.
But with this, I can assure you that even if you try for a little bit, you will know instantly
Yeah.
that this is the real deal.
Yeah.
And when you do try, definitely try to through Planet Ayurveda, because at least you know that you are getting the genuine herbs
Yeah.
or the genuine things. Because even in Ayurveda, a lot of people have really bad experiences because they have not received the actual product or
Yeah.
the way that it was actually supposed to be made
Yeah.
to make it work like traditional Ayurveda. So yeah, my experience has been really positive, and I really sometimes if I meet someone who has been going through Crohn's disease and who has been going through also, I just really tell them, and a lot of times they don't believe me or they don't listen to me,
Yeah.
but I try to be
That's the problem with the Ayurveda. People don't believe until and unless their situation is worse, or until and unless the doctor they tell them that no, we cannot do anything. What your doctor told you, that what is the prognosis, what is going to happen in future?
Well, the doctor told me that at the moment no one even knows.
Yes.
At least in Western medicine, no one even knows
Yeah.
that why this happens, because they can't even link it to a hereditary disease. So no one knows what happens, and according to them, there is no real cure for it. All you do is you just maintain the disease
Yeah.
throughout your life.
Yeah.
You just keep on things like mesalazine, and there are a few other drugs which are in funding, but all of that is maintaining. And
Yeah.
when the players do actually happen, you have no choice but to stay at home for a week.
Oh, that's bad.
And,
Yeah.
and just get used to it. Yeah.
And you have in New Zealand, do you use biologicals, injections?
Yeah, I think I'm not really sure because I didn't really go that far.
Yeah.
Luckily, I found Ayurvedic before that.
Yeah.
But yeah, most of in Crohn's and Colitis Foundation,
Yeah.
which I sometimes which I donate to regularly as well, and they have really good reading material, and they have resources that help people who are battling with disease. There's just so many people who are on stomas now that did not have any reason to go there if they had gone down the road of Ayurveda.
Yeah. Yes. So
yeah.
That's really appreciable that you understood Ayurveda and you are spreading Ayurveda and you are recommending Ayurveda to everybody else also. And what about the diet? Did you follow my diet or what you followed?
Yeah, so I did follow your diet, although not as super strictly.
Yes.
Because I don't usually have the luxury of staying at home all the time and cooking myself, because my work is just a lot of travel.
Yeah.
But the diet is obviously really important. If you don't follow the diet, you don't achieve. You may not receive the results as quickly as like I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to follow at least 90%.
Yeah.
And mostly it's avoiding things that you shouldn't be eating.
Mostly it's avoid spices, avoid milk, cheese, and buttermilk. This is what I recommend. Avoid cheese, buttermilk, and milk, and chilies.
Yeah. Yeah. So I don't. For me, I pretty much removed 99% of dairy from my life, except ghee. I don't eat spicy food anymore.
Okay, thank you very much for giving this interview to us, so that many other people who are suffering, they will understand it and they will know that there is something alternative also available. Thank you, Deep. Thank you.